Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve your Skype. To know how to fix or to solve your Skype problem, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll enter to Skype app. Here we go to click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear date, we'll go to Play Store. If you find it in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.